got an ornate ready to show you an absolutely stunning Georgian double barrel muzzle loading shotgun. So it's absolutely beautiful items. As you can see, you've got griffins, you've got a lovely carved bone horn, trigger, barrel, lovely Damascus steel. So iron and steel twisted to form this beautiful design, and then acid etched along the top. So this is really lovely. There you go, there's the maker's name there. Still completely functional. So that cot back, you'll be able to fire it as such. These act as safety catchers, so these can be pulled back to stop you being able to fire it accidentally. Beautiful barrel, lovely motifs, a stunning gun that would make a perfect gift or addition to any collection. Thank you and have a splendid day.